What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to complete the 40-yard dash in Madden NFL 26. The process is actually pretty straightforward. To begin the drill, press and hold both analog sticks downward to get into the ready stance. You'll see a short countdown appear on the screen. As soon as the countdown finishes, release both sticks to start the run. From here, your goal is to build speed by alternating the triggers. That means pressing LT and RT on Xbox or L2 and R2 on PlayStation, back and forth as quickly and smoothly as you can. The faster and cleaner you alternate, the faster your player will run. Right before you reach the finish line, you'll see the dig deep prompt appear. When that happens, press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation to give your runner an extra burst of speed and shave off a little more time. And that's essentially the whole drill. Just get into your stance, build your momentum by alternating the triggers and hit dig deep at the end for maximum results. With a bit of practice, you'll definitely start seeing better times. Hope this helped. If it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.